today's Byron on the Rooftop, we look at the importance of clearance to combustibles by looking at a fire that started just below the roof line on this single-story ranch-style home in Lafayette, Colorado. With a beautiful view, danger lurks just out of view below the roof flashing when we went to remove this. Look at the charred material, the overheated wood, the drywall material just below roof line. Again, there's your shingles and there's your structure fire. The gypsum board helped prevent the spread of flame and fire. However, the gypsum board is not fireproof because it is paper backed. We've got full charring. Not sure if it was fully engulfed in flame or not. It had a pellet stove inside of a wood burning chimney system that was triple wall air cooled, and the pellet vent system was an incorrectly installed upside down type B vent. So whoever experienced the first fire certainly replaced it with the same guy who put the wood in the first fire that caused the structure fire. All right, cheers. Byron on the Rooftop. Be safe. Make sure you observe clearance to combustibles on your freestanding wood stove.